Okay, if we walk in confident, we have a good time.
Okay.
Hey, you on the list?
Yes.
No. Yes.
Then you're not coming in.
Oh, wait a minute, man. We're relatively important people. We're going in, bro.
I don't give a fuck who you think you are. You're not coming in.
Come on, man. I'm a VIP. We come here all the time.
Hey, Des.
Hey, man.
Going in?
I ain't seen him.
Hey, man! Luis! Bro, can you get us in?
Hey, Brucey. Yeah, sure. Tessie, take care of them.
Thanks, man!
Okay, keep it cool. Keep it cool. Man, I'm going to see some vagina tonight.
You walked in with one, bro.
What?
Never mind, man.
Hey, so I'm going to go get the drinks. Okay.
Good seeing you guys, man. I gotta take care of something.
Hey, wait, listen, can I just say something, man? Listen, can I just say, the way you dealt with Maury, man, I was really grateful. Thank you.
Hey, don't mention it, man. Unless you want me to kill him.
Maybe. Hey, listen, you know, you're a lot like me. That's right, you're like a lone wolf, an adventurer, tough but with a sensitive side.
Not really, bro. I like killing for money.
Yes, I know, but that's just your thing, man. Look, you know,
What's your problem,
what?
man?
Nothing. I didn't mean nothing by it. I'm not gay.
It's cool, man. Just don't do it again, man.
Hey, look, I fucked 3 girls last night, man. One of them can't even walk. I mean, now. If she could walk before, she didn't need a wheelchair or anything. Look, I was just checking to make sure you weren't gay, bro.
Yo, not a problem, man. I gotta go.
Hey, listen.
Hey, Luis, come on, man. We gotta go. Let's go.
All right, man. Peace out, bro.
Thank God you showed up, bro.
What?
I never thought seeing you would make things feel more heterosexual.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that, sweetheart.
Yeah, it's probably best.
Take us over to the fish market.
What's happening, D?
Getting Gracie back. She's coming home.
You mean taking her back? Or this gonna be tranquilo?
God, I hope so. They're getting the diamonds for her, so they better behave.
Shit. Wait a second. Slow up, man. What have the diamonds got to do with Gracie? What the fuck have we got to do with Gracie? Shouldn't her old man be handling this?
Apparently the kidnappers have asked for these rocks, and we aren't being given much of a choice about it, if you catch my meaning.
Oh, great. Angry mobsters, kidnappers, maniacs. Sounds like another fun day.
The exchange is on Charge Island. They're coming by land, we're on the water.
Tony, man. It's diamonds.
What about them?
Yo, man. Maybe got his pending ownership. He's got some serious resources. Maybe we should think about handing them over to him.
We got 2 options, Lou. Either we give them to the Russian, and Ancelotti kills us, or we give them over to the kidnappers. Gracie lives, and we take our chances with the Russian.
All right, man. Sounds like you got everything figured out.
I got nothing figured out. Half the city wants to kill me, but they'll be lucky if they can get a chance before I die of a heart attack.
Easy, Tom.
Let's do this.
Last chance, D. So you want to hand this stuff over?
Sure, I'm sure. Father's gonna kill us if we don't.
Yeah, it makes it nice and simple.
Yeah, lends a lot of clarity to my thinking. Gracie, you all right? The bastard didn't hurt you, did they?
She can't speak. We got a gag in her mouth.
Give her back, you animals. She suffered enough.
Hand over the stuff.
Hand over Gracie. I'm here for you, sweetie.
Hand over the fucking stuff!
All right, calm down. Both of you.
Oye, we put the ice in the middle, we walk back. Then, you send over the girl. We leave, and you pick up the stuff. Entiende?
Sure. Show us the goods.
Come back to me, honey.
Let her go.
You alright?
Fuck, shit! Fuck!
Hey, you okay?
Where'd you fucking kill them, you fucking nothing?
Huh?
You! Fuck!
Go, go! Fuck! Bájense!
Fucking chomp off our boat!
Hey, I'm trying, okay?
Tony, you're fucking pathetic! Get the motherfucker off our boat! The fucking stowaway's gone. We can go back now and get those cocksucking kidnappers now, pussy! You're a bodyguard, aren't you? Go back and kill them for me.
Gracie, you're gonna have to shut the fuck up right now. We don't need to be doing this for you.
You're a fucking joke! You and that old queen are gonna be done here.
Hey there, muscles. No need to hit a lady.
She don't got a mouth like a lady, Tom. And the way she was acting, she was gonna get us killed.
I should have given her some pills, but oops, I took them all.
Sleep it off, man.
What's happening?
You got Gracie back safe and sound, Tom. I hope she was worth $2 million.
You hit her, right?
She had a boating accident. Make sure her old man understands that. I don't want to see her again.
Okay, sailor. So long.
Hey, man, you read my blog? Hey, I love being liberal.
Tom,
Fuck! Lou, have you heard?
that our lives are falling apart?
No! Yes! No! Sort of. The city's closed down the clubs.
You serious? Those
All this
motherfuckers.
fucking bullshit, and we forgot to pay off the Citadel.
Shit, D. Maybe this is a good thing. At least we can concentrate on getting off every gangster's hit list.
We better do it quick. There's no more money coming in. It's only gonna get worse for us. Fuck me, I need some blow.